Hello everyone, my name is Toğжan and I'm from the secondary school of Abay village. Today I will talk about business and management, and I really hope that you will find this presentation interesting and useful. In this presentation I will talk about what is business management, what skills do we need, and where we can study and something like that. So let's start. Firstly, what is business management? Business management is a process of leading, organizing, analyzing, controlling the company's resources. These resources include money, people, even operations. Good business managers, they make decisions, solve complex problems, and helps in a business grow. Why is business management attractive to me? Business management attractive to me because firstly, it gives me different opportunities. Secondly, it helps me become a leader, make decisions easily, and it helps me be successful in the future. And let's talk about a history of business management. When did it start? It started many centuries, many years ago in ancient times like Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Indus Valley. They created markets and started trading, and also they used money to trade routes which helps develop business management nowadays. So what business managers do? Firstly, it's planning and strategy. They plan their each step, they make huge plans for each project. And secondly, it's leading and supervising. You need to have leadership quality. You have to control and handle the group of people. And thirdly, is communication. It's I think the important part, because you need to talk to people, you need to listen to people, you need to get involved with different types of people, and it's very important. So let's take a look at famous and rich, successful business managers in Kazakhstan. Firstly is Vyacheslav Kim. He is a chairman and shareholder of Kaspi.kz. And second one is Timur Kulubayev. He is businessman and investor, co-owner of Halik Bank. And last one is Timur Turlov. He is founder and CEO of Freedom Holding Corp. All of them very famous, wealthy, and popular in Kazakhstan. So let's talk about worldwide famous business managers. I think all of you heard already about them, all of you know them. It's Elon Musk, he is CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. Second one is Bill Gates, he is co-founder of Microsoft. And third one is Warren Buffett, he is CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. All of them is famous in worldwide level. So what qualities do we need to be successful and rich like them? Firstly is leadership, inspiring and guiding teams to achieve goals. You need to control the group of people, you need to work in teamwork well, and leadership quality is important one. And second is strategic thinking, planning and making decisions based on long-term objectives. You need to think very fastly to make decisions very strategically and easily. And the third one is communication. I said before, it's the important one, because business management is very important to communicate with people, to talk to them, to share your ideas clearly. And the last one is problem solving. It's analyzing issues and developing effective solutions. You need to solve complex problems, you need to solve different challenges and find their solutions. So let's talk about advantages and disadvantages of business management. Firstly is career growth. Business management is a profession that helps you in the future. It will help you in your career growth, like you will be successful in this profession. And second one is strategic influence. You have to make decisions, you have to solve problems, and it's a very huge influence. It will be a very huge influence on you. And the last one is skill development. Like the skills you learned in business management will help you in your daily life. And let's talk about the disadvantages of business management. Firstly is high stress levels. The responsibility of business managers is very high, so its profession might be very stressful for you. And second one is long working hours. You need to overwork to achieve your goals, and it will be very harmful. It might be very harmful for your mental and physical health. And last one is constant need for adaptation. Like you need to always learn something new. You need to always grow up. You can't just stay in one place. And for example, today you work in Kazakhstan, maybe tomorrow we will work in different country. So you have to have a good adaptation skills. So where to study business management? In Kazakhstan, there are a lot of universities that teach business management. Let's take a look at them. It's Maqsud Narықбаев University, Nazarbayev University, Süleyman Demirel University, Narxoz, Kimep, Almayu. All of them teach business management, and you can graduate this profession in these universities. What about study abroad? What about worldwide universities? I think all of you know it's Harvard and London Business School and MIT, Stanford. All of them are very in high level, but if you really want, you can do it. So below are some industries that you can work in business management. Like firstly is finance and banking. You can deal with money. You can be a bank manager. And second one is marketing and advertising. This industry is very popular among like young people because it's very famous in Kazakhstan. And third one is technology and startups like Elon Musk, Bill Gates. All of them chose this industry, and these industries are very famous. So what about career growth in business management? It's like you start with entry level, assistant manager, analyst, and after that you will grow step by step. Second level is mid-level, project manager and department head. And the last one is CEO or entrepreneur or business consultant. And to conclude my speech, I want to say that business management is the profession that helps you be successful in your future. If you're a sociable person, if you have leadership qualities, you can choose this profession. So, thank you for your attention.